What is going on, guys? It is your boy Lucho here today, bringing you something cool, something special. Damn. Oh, that booty dog. Okay, so yeah, I bought a new car. No, this isn't a video where I'm like, oh my god, I'm a YouTuber, check out what I bought with all my YouTube monies. I have a job, I used my money from the job to pay for this. So, I love it. It is freaking awesome. It looks sick. But it's gonna look even sicker in a few months' time. You're gonna be seeing a lot more car videos on my channel, car related stuff, my car, other people's cars, my friends and whatnot, mods, install vids. Ow, I just hit myself with the board. In the very far future, skids and drifting, because I want a drift car, and skids are fun. And Bay's just chilling in there. So, let's check out the inside. Anyway, don't mind the mess. I didn't even see that. Yo, boys, check out. I got an airbag. It's pretty sick. Oh, I have my model here. Oh, nice. Yo, it looks like a face. Oh my god. I'm so done with you.
You have the back?
Nothing too special. Fuck out. Nothing too special. We have a back seat with cup holders for them road trips with the boys and squad. Mum driving.
Soccer mum be like, perfect soccer mum car, let's be honest.
No, this is a perfect sick Glen car. Hey yo, pop the ass open. Oh god, watch her try to find the ass button. Oh, she did it, wow. I'm so impressed. I take that back. Basically, I just keep my boards in here. Nothing more, nothing less. Keep that shit clean. It's got carpet inside. Fucking tint F on the back. Put your seatbelt on!
Sunset highs, glassy eyes too low. Looks in the mirror, it couldn't be clear. She never wants to grow old.
Alright, so I'm creeping up to Lachlan's house in the new car. He doesn't know he knows I'm coming, but he doesn't know what's happening. So this is the surprise. I'm gonna hopefully try to capture his reaction. I've been waiting for this for so fucking long, and he has too. So let's pull up in the driveway and see what happens, yeah? Looks like I'm gonna have to go and see him. I can't call him because I'm recording with my phone because I wasn't able to bring my camera. I think he went to take a piss. You guys see him? Standing there and let me in, you mong. He's putting his boogs on. There he is. Designer chilling. Hey man. I just spent.
What's going on?
It's been a minute since I've seen your gorgeous face.
It has been a while.
You're probably so confused right now.
No, I'm like...
Are you like nervous?
A little, I'm a little nervous. I'm normally seeing the camera.
Do you know what I have to show you?
What do you have to show me? I'm very curious. I might have an idea, but...
Come outside. Oh shit. Yeah.
I fucking knew it. I knew it.
Boy. Oh man.
I knew it.
Shit.
Dude, that's dope.
God, dude, I'm shaking.
Dude,
I was so nervous.
dude, I had some suspicion.
He kinda knew,
I did kind of.
but he kinda didn't know. Baby needs a wash.
Dude, I was talking to Steph from, like.
Dude, she's been trying to figure out for ages. She's so annoyed at me.
She messaged me just then. Is like, has he come yet? Like, has he said anything? Because he hasn't messaged me all day. That's sick.
Damn, look at that ass. Got the black towels.
Dude, that's so nice.
Gang, gang.
I knew I was right.
Look at boy.
I knew it. I like it. Good shit.
Yeah.
That's mad.
She's alright. She's alright.
Did you go pick it up? Yeah, it's picked it up not long ago. Hey.
Picked it up like 10 minutes ago. Picked it up, got gas, and then I said on my way, and now I'm here. I did it. I did it. Alright, victim number 2 of the big surprise. There he is. Or she. I haven't decided yet. I'm not assuming genders out here. Yo, can we just appreciate the quality of this, like, fucking phone camera? Like, holy shit, this is fucking sick.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Oh my god.
Crazy Deutsch.
Get up.
Come on, puppy, let's go inside.
What's that?
Surprise.
Oh, that's so cool. Show me. Pull it in.
Get inside, doggy.
Come on, puppy. Come on.
Oh,
That's the drive.
it's so good. You want to go for a spin in a min? We'll bust a rhyme.
Sure.
Ready? This is also pretty sick. Oh. Oh man.
If only my car was here.
I know, goals
I
out.
could take my little pics.
I got my work stuff here.
That's
'Cause,
cute.
yeah, I need to go to work.
Are you gonna give me my bull back?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in my garage. Look, it's got like black tail lights. It's fucking, oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so roomy. Yo, get in. I'll show you something sick. Huh? Like squad goals. Let's go on a road trip, yo.
Without driving?
We can go to the drive-in and just sit here.
True.
Like in the back. Like we could fold the seats down.
It's so cute.
Like the front is so far away.
I like it. So nice. So nice.
You're so pretty today.
Thank you. Hey, look, GF for girlfriend. That's cute.
Let's see if we get our third reaction down there. Is it gonna? That's Aaron. I think that's Aaron. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out. I'm just gonna walk over because I don't think he knows I'm here.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Oh, better not hit his side.
Hey, bro.
Hey.
Started.
Oh. Vlogging.
Yeah.
Ah.
What's up, ish boy? I've been recording people's like reactions, and I was sitting in my car and you didn't see me, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna get out.
I did see you. I knew straight away.
You did?
Oh. So, is this YouTube video buying Dad new car for birthday?
Yeah.
Is that what this is? Is that
Yeah.
what this video is?
I'm really out here for views.
Oh well. Thanks for the car anyway.
Wait, hold on. Let me just suss the range.
Yeah.
Skirt, skirt.
What colour is that?
Dude, at night it looks grey, but in the daytime it's like blue, yeah.
It looks like, yeah, blue. Bluey grey. Have you already been sussing the mods?
Of course. Minta.
I've never seen the interior of the Lancer, so this is going to be a first experience for me. Similar to when I lost my anal virginity to a cat.
Oh my god. Yo, it just auto-locked itself because I didn't get in it.
Oh. It's 5-speed auto as well.
6.
6? Oh,
It's got sports auto, boy.
I don't even want to look at it, man.
Bruh, I need to get my G Fuel.
Have you seen my car?
Dude, ready? Check this out. Like,
Fucking hell, fuck you.
look. Welcome. Did you see that shit?
Should it say it up there? How many
Goodbye.
has it got on it? 65,000. Oh, you did good.
Boys! Oh, this is... Look at the interior, boy.
Interior crocodile.
It's got like a little light down here.
I'm driving.
Third victim, here we go. Third or fourth, I don't know. Fourth, that's right. Your boy can't count. I'm gonna just go up there. Oh shit, there he is. Saw, dude. Saw, dude.
What are you doing?
I'm just chilling.
Filming a day in the life?
Yeah.
So,
Saw, dude. Saw, dude.
so good day, Lucho fans. Wait. What? You bought it?
Saw,
No
dude.
fucking way!
Hey.
Dude! I was like looking, I'm like, that's not your roof. Holy shit. Dude! This is the thing you're like, I got surprised. Oh, dude, and that's why you want to clean it?
Yeah.
Dude!
I hit it so
shit.
well. I was like, yeah, we'll give the roller a clean.
Yeah! What the fuck?
Dude, hey. I'm just recording people's reactions, you know?
Dude!
This boy hype.
They're like, yeah, it's like Pimp My Ride when they like show them their car.
Oh my god! Oh shit! No way!
Got these 15-inch rims.
16, I think.
Oh shit.
Dude, all I
16 by 6s.
got a mad intercooler in there. It's fucking hectic. Whoa.
Rip. Dude, that's so good. Was
Fucking
this the one you were
yeah.
looking at?
Yeah.
So cool. Muy big.
Gonna need to buy a few cans of Plasti Dip.
Oh yeah.
It's so quiet, it needs an exhaust on the ASAP.
Oh yeah.
When you're in it, you can't even hear that it's on.
Dude, this is so good. How many Ks?
66.
Oh yeah. That's heaps good.
It's done fuck all.
Mind if I give it a few ribs?
Yeah, just go easy on it. It's not that warm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so good. Oh man. It turns off so easily.
I know.
Used to other cars that just like make
Like.
oh, that's so good.
Hey.
It does need a good clean though.
Yeah, I haven't cleaned it yet,
Yeah.
but you know, today's
Got
the
a few
day.
imperfections.